Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Arlo Pro wireless home security camera system, specifically the 3-camera kit. We found this product online and added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what the Arlo Pro is all about. This system is designed to provide comprehensive home security with the convenience of wireless technology. It includes 3 high-definition cameras that can be placed both indoors and outdoors, ensuring that you have complete coverage of your property. The best part? There are no messy wires to deal with, making installation as easy as it gets. One of the standout features of the Arlo Pro is its 100% wire-free design. This means you can place the cameras wherever you need them without being limited by power outlets or tangled cords. This flexibility is especially useful for those who want to monitor hard-to-reach areas around their home. Another feature that makes Arlo Pro a solid choice is its weather resistance. These cameras are built to withstand the elements, so whether it's rain, snow, or sun, you can rely on them to keep an eye on your property year-round. Let's not forget about the camera's impressive battery life. Each camera is equipped with a 2,440 mAh rechargeable battery. While battery life can vary based on settings and usage, the cameras are designed to give you dependable performance. It's recommended to have a high-speed internet connection, with at least 1 megabit per second upstream, for optimal functionality. Communication is also made easy with the two-way audio feature. Each camera comes with a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to listen in and talk back through the app on your smartphone. This is particularly useful if you want to greet visitors or deter unwanted guests. When it comes to storing your footage, the Arlo Pro offers 7 days of free rolling cloud recordings. This means you can live stream or view recorded video and audio for up to a week without any additional cost. If you want more advanced features, there's the Arlo Smart option, which adds intelligent alerts that can detect people in specific zones, giving you peace of mind. The Arlo Pro is compatible with various smart home devices, including Amazon Alexa, Echo Show, Fire TV, and Google Assistant. This means you can view your live video feed with just a simple voice command. It also integrates well with other smart home systems like IFT and Samsung SmartThings, making it a versatile choice for those who like to have a connected home. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a homeowner or renter who values security but doesn't want the hassle of complicated wiring, the Arlo Pro is an excellent option. It's also ideal for families who want extra peace of mind, especially if you have children or pets. Additionally, it can be beneficial for those who travel often and want to keep an eye on their property while they're away. In practical use cases, imagine being able to monitor your front porch for package deliveries or checking in on your backyard while you're at work. The two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with anyone on your property, whether it's visitors or service personnel, right from your smartphone. The weather-resistant design means you can confidently place cameras outside without worrying about the conditions. In summary, the Arlo Pro wireless home security camera system is a robust solution for anyone looking to enhance their home security without the complications of traditional wired systems. With its user-friendly features, smart home compatibility, and reliable performance, it makes safeguarding your home easier than ever. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.